At Family Reunion in 2021, Gary Keller and Jay Papasan talked about the importance of a smart business and a smart database. This session was all about the power of your database. The first thing to understand of your database is, well, what's the purpose of a business? The purpose of a business is to turn a profit, right? So they really talked about this over the last few years of how we have to turn a profit, and every profitable business has a database. Think Amazon, they have a large database. All their consumers, staying in touch with them, knowing their wants and needs is very important. And the pandemic revealed a lot of things to us around care calls, checking in with our people, and the importance of a relationship. So a smart business, just to recap a little bit about what Gary and Jay talked about, smart businesses know their customers are, how to interact with them, and have purposefully established a meaningful relationship with them. And databases are the foundation of a smart business because they allow you to keep and build ongoing relationships with clients that are either ready to do business with you today or down the road. So I love the fact that we're having this conversation because this isn't a new conversation. However, are you maximizing the opportunity of your database? Or are they just a bunch of numbers and names in a phone? Which is a database, it's not smart. We don't have enough details yet. What are their spouses' names? What do they like to do on the weekend? What are their family, occupation, recreation, dreams? What do they care about? Who are they in the relationship with? Where do they work? Those kind of things matter, and Amazon's a perfect example of this because if I buy shoes from Amazon, guess what Amazon's keeping in front of me? Shoes and similar products like that. How are we in this industry staying on top of that? Because you're in competition with all other real estate agents and big companies that begin with a Z that are masters of staying in touch with people based on things that they like and their interest, at least real estate interest. They haven't turned to say, I know you as a human yet. So part of our big focus of a smart database allows you to have a planned and meaningful communication with the people in it and to build a relationship with them over time. And you experience a better return on investment for your lead generation when you use a smart database because you'll be able to focus on generating repeat and referral business. And when you build a business around a database, you're able to more reliably and predictably generate income. This means you do better control of the future of your business. So there are really 3 levels of a smart database, and we're going to tie this into command. So each level is going to help you communicate and bring value to your customers. However, achieving level 3 allows you to automate your interactions with them in time in a way that feels personal and individualized, yet scales so that you can reach your database and stay top of mind. Level 1 is essential. We just need their name, contact information, and what type of business you've conducted with them in the past. Like they've been a buyer, they've been a seller, or what is their future business? They own a home, so they might be a future seller one day. Level 2 is effective, which is collecting the permission to contact them moving forward. Gather their personal information and preferences. What's the best way to reach you? How do I communicate with you? And segment them into proper groups. That's tags. Then use this information to have a more purposeful and consistent communication with them. And level 3, to get to the exceptional, this database contains triggers that enable you to automate your communication around them. That's the point of why we're doing this little series here, is to say, how do we establish a smart database for your business? And you want to work backwards from your income goal you've set to determine how many people you need to have in your database, assuming you get repeat and referral business from them. Add them to your database over time by prospecting and marketing, and reach out to the people in your database in ways with topics that appeal to and are relevant to them. Just like Amazon, I want to know about the things I purchased. I don't need to know about everything they have. That's the importance of this kind of topic. So I wanted to tie this into command. So command, we're going to start day 1 of this series with focusing around the contact. The first thing is entering the basics of the information. So we're going to add a contact today inside a command, and then from there we're going to delve deeper into tags, we're going to deep into smart plans and how to get more information. So if you come to the add a contact button in the corner, you would start with their name. So maybe it was John Smith, and his email address is johnsmith@yahoo.com. You can enter their phone number if you have it, right? So 954-334, right? However, you need to get more information from them. Where did this person come from, right? Was it an agent relationship, an allied resources? Was it a person? Was it Zillow, right? That's the kind of stuff that I can pull in, mark as a lead if they are, and then the tags. So this would be the basic. This would be your level 1. I need some basic information, and a tag could just simply be seller. That would be level 1 based on the little database here. So that would be step one. From there, then we're going to go into add more information. So stay tuned to this database series. Follow us along on how to make it there. Let's just start with the basics. Get your people in with the basic information. Let us dive deeper into this along the way and join us as we continue our journey of building a smart business with a smart database.